In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an admin from your Facebook page. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the Facebook account that has full admin access to the page. Only admins with the right permissions can remove other admins. I'll walk you through the process on desktop, but the wording and placement are similar on mobile. The goal here is to safely remove someone's access without affecting your page content or settings. Start by going to your Facebook page. If you manage multiple pages, choose the correct one and switch into the page if you're prompted to do so. Once you're on the page, look for the gear icon or the settings option. Click it to open your page settings area where all the management tools live. Inside settings, go to page setup, then select Page Access. This section controls who can do what on your page. You'll see people listed who have Facebook access, and in some cases, partners or connected assets depending on how your page is set up. For this task, you're focusing on the person with admin access that you want to remove. Scroll through the list and find the admin you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct profile so you don't accidentally remove the wrong person. Next to their name, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open the Actions menu for that person. From the menu, choose Remove Access. This is the command that revokes their ability to manage your page. Facebook may display a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to proceed, since this action can't be undone without adding them back later. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm the removal. Once you confirm, the change takes effect immediately. The person will lose access to the page right away and won't be able to post, edit settings, manage roles, or view insights tied to that page. If you ever need to restore access, you would have to add them again through the same page access area. If you don't see the Remove Access option, check that you're using an account with full admin permissions. In some setups, especially those connected to a business account, access might be controlled elsewhere. In that case, you may need to contact the person who owns or manages the broader business settings. And that's it. You've removed an admin from your Facebook page quickly and safely, ensuring your page stays secure and managed by the right people.